Let's check out the SoundPEATS H3. Now, SoundPEATS normally send me earbuds before they come out. They didn't with these, and I kept seeing these over the course of the last month, but they was out of stock. So I guess people bought them all out. But if you look at the reviews on Amazon, they are rated 4.6 stars out of 5. So I'm super excited to give these a go. I usually skip recording the manual stuff, but it's stickers in here. And we all love stickers. I don't care how old you are, you like stickers. Do not play. Now we're gonna also have our standard too small to use USB to USB-C cable that all these companies provide. Let's check out the ear tips real quick. You got 7? Hey, I ain't complaining, more is better. You got 7 ear tips. Let's see what this case is working with. Looks like I don't have to fight with the plastic too much. I already had to scrap some footage because I was having a hard time unboxing these bad boys. The case is your usual plastic, pretty much on par with like some Beats or some AirPods. Nothing crazy. I do like that it's black, so it should hide dirt a little bit, but just show a little more fingerprints. I'll take that trade-off any day. Now, this design is nothing like any SoundPEATS that I've ever tested out. I haven't tested their H series out, so this is my first pair of their H series. I could already tell from the photos on Amazon that these are some thick boys, so I'm already expecting them to be this thick before unboxing them. I really like the design of these. Now, to me, they feel premium, but I know it's plastic, but plastic can feel premium. I bought plenty things that's plastic that feels premium, and these feel premium. The transparent design, I like how the rubber tips feel. It just feels sturdy and very well manufactured. Now, this stem that the ear tip sits on, it sticks out, so that's going to go in your ear pretty deep, and that's going to provide good passive noise cancellation. The same token, if you're someone that don't like things deep in your ear, these are not for you. As far as pairing, all you got to do is open these bad boys up and go to your Bluetooth settings. Click connect, and that's it. Now let's talk about the sound. The first thing that's going to stand out to you is the heavy, deep, rumbling bass, which is accompanied by the crystal clear highs and a very strong mid-range. Overall, in my opinion, it's a very premium sound, but the main thing that I get stuck on is that bass. That bass thumps, and I love it. Which brings us to the next topic. Even if you somehow don't like the sound, when you download the app, you have so many options to customize these bad boys. There's no way that you cannot tune them to your liking. Especially since you literally have a 10-band EQ. You can do a lot of work with that. They've been upgrading the mess out of this app because you always had presets, but now you got like 4 extra presets that you didn't have before, just in case you don't want to customize it. You can also change the touch control operation, which I never really used the touch controls on earbuds or headphones. And then if you scroll down, you got Find My, but I don't want to open that too much because then you're going to find me. Now this is one feature that adds like a social aspect to these earbuds. If you go to EQ space, you can download other people's EQs, and I think that's really dope, and that just makes it fun to toy around with when you got some extra time. All right, we have switched to the MacBook to go to the QuickTime player to make sure we are using a microphone from the SoundPEATS H3. I'm pretty sure these mics want to sound amazing. You have 6 mics. I have both in. You got 3 mics in one earbud and 3 in the other. So I'm pretty sure these mics want to sound amazing. SoundPEATS did something that a lot of companies fail at. They got the transparency mode right. I put these bad boys in my ear, connected them to my phone while watching a movie playing through the speaker on my MacBook Pro. Everything sounded completely natural. I didn't get any skips or any unwanted noise. It was literally perfect. As far as the active noise cancellation, it's good, but it's not crazy. If I had to rate it out of 10, I'm gonna give it like a 7 or 7.5. I tested it with my space heater on, and it did block out a lot of the noise, but I could still hear it. And you also hear like a slight white noise. It's not a deal breaker, but you do hear a little bit of white noise, which is typical with ANC on a lot of earbuds. Another thing I want to touch on is the fit, which is subjective. Everybody's ears are different, but the fit for these, for me, I hardly have to touch them. I actually have to touch my AirPod Pros way more to adjust them than these. Once you put these in, that was it. So I love the fitment on these, even though they do tend to stick out a little bit, which is expected on these type of earbuds. In conclusion, I think these bad boys are definitely worth it. I love the customization. Just make sure you download the right SoundPEATS app, not the Peats Audio, but the SoundPEATS app, because I see people downloading the wrong app. If you download the right app, it adds that community aspect on there. I even made a profile because I like the fact that you can get other people's presets. So I definitely think that these are worth it, and that's all I got for y'all for now. Stay blessed, not stressed. Pray more, not less. Out.